First now, good evening. The brother will watch now, Water. Water means the house of the matter, and with the regional from Independent Television, Edo State, Nigeria. Again, we don't come again. My name is Ima Pololo, and of course, today in our very discussion, I say let's veer off a little from the different happenings and move after politics. So for politics proper, now we did this evening, and internal democracy for inside political party and issues we get to do with some of these things when they happen around that we want to talk about today. Jared Senebe, now be the Deputy State Chairman for APC for Edo State. Okay, Jared, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Bololo.
Another strong politician we see deputy for this evening for inside this 2-day game. Now be Osaze Jeswabo. When you see him, you know say the right PDP for a face. Okay, good evening.
Thank you very much. Good evening, viewers.
Yes, so another one again, another very prominent son of Edo State today with us this evening. Is a lawyer and one young man. We'll be present very soon. Yes, the young people will take over politics in different affairs of this country. Barrister Anthony Helebo, the head of new media for PDP, he did with us for inside the studio. Barrister, good evening.
Good evening, my people. Good evening, Edo State. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes, finally, right?
Thank you. Home is very hard.
Yes, so, Osada, internal democracy, from your own angle of your political party, how you treat it?
Well, internal democracy mean different things to different people, and many times, even when the party, first of all, this is not pidgin, Abi.
Yes, sir.
Even when the party want do internal democracy, the people when they on top, many times they know they let them be the real internal democracy. But we all know that any primary, any congress where internal democracy take place, problems not they did that much. Court cases by people when you lose, not they did that much. So me for one, I believe say in everything when we do, we must let fair play be the thing when go determine. And so internal democracy to me is very, very important and very vital if any party wants to succeed.
Jared, for your own political party, what's on the practice? Na internal democracy be na push me and push you.
Well, if you can see, you discover say APC in our party when they practice internal democracy, and they don't even take it to a different level. It just happened recently now, where we did our congresses, and I emerged as the deputy state chairman of the party here in Edo State. You see, like that congress when just passed, I will do and be say, we agree that the first step is try to see whether you will get consensus. Where consensus fail, then you now go to the field. Then you now discover that so many people there when they look for different positions. Like in this state, Chief Francis Nebeneki won't be chairman. One Tinosa Egebo want to be secretary, and you had a secretary in place, you had a chairman in place that were also wanting to come back. But at the end of the day, before the election, there was an agreement by all parties, and they now agree and had consensus. That was why it was very swift and smooth. So APC will tell you, as I will tell you, na party where they practice internal democracy, and it just played out in the Congress when just over.
Anthony, if waiting in talks are true, why we always get problem?
You know, my big uncle here. I feel like I never watch Wiki latest release where you say where if you call one governor, we say the factional leader of the party in APC. But the truth is that internal democracy in party politics, we underrate and underestimate the eventual effects where they bring for our polity. Our people, they always say, at least mostly for Edo State here, which I don't realize they will like consensus. But in the long run, I don't discover say that consensus. You know, they help politics. It is good. Make people come out come tell people say they won't run for office, so that people go question them, say wetin you wan do when you enter that office. The way wey we dey do am so e don give us results. Na very few people dey work wey we dey see small governance, small list. Nigeria suppose don go past this one. The way wey we dey do things, e don reach time wey we go sit down say come make we try am again. And I happy say this internal democracy by hook by force they don put am now dey the new electoral act say everybody go do direct primaries, make everybody go free. You don dey hear say even my own party say we no like am, but some of us dey one side dey say make dem do am because we don suffer from collegiate system. Because collegiate system na padi wey be say if you no know the chairman, if you know, and if you fit even popular for street, for marketplace, but because you know maybe one leader no like you or one leader no like say you dey independent or say you fit just focus on the people, you go say this one no go answer us when we call am, make we find way make sure say no, and then you find out say you get the wrong set of leaders. You get it, then at the end of the day you will get country wey no dey work. You go dey ask yourself why this country no dey work, why we no fit comot by this time, why we say we dey our house 8 o'clock we don enter house. That's because you made those choices a long time ago. You don't know when they say make we just agree say this person go be our chairman, make we just, meanwhile you suppose put down democracy is for the people by the people, so that people go decide whether this na the person wey they want. And if the person want, make him come out talk say I won't be your leader, or I won't be your councillor, I won't be your chairman. Then people go ask him, if you be chairman, what you go do? That's what I believe. Internal democracy, that's what it represents.
You know, say just now, my brother they talk of Wike. Wike not be person where they supposed to talk when they talk of say call this government, say which fashion or whatever.
But let's say official.
Which fashion of the Wike day right now? If they say make they do Congress for Rivers now, Wike go get one fashion, second dose go get one fashion, because now the Wike self now even don't carry fashion come for the PDP now. What be the problem where PDP don't face? Where be say they go even get as it be. If they even say if they go down national convention, whether they go even come back as one piece. Then secondly, if they talk of direct primaries, everybody for this country knows that direct primaries now Shomole now introduce them into the last this thing, and I waiting pursue Governor Obaseki come up for APC with that, because he say why did they introduce direct primaries into the system. That means if Obaseki was doing his first term and he's going to do second term, now be say for no contest again, because that na one person will no like direct primaries. So not be that one not be supposed
that
to.
Kind of direct primaries
But the direct primaries is that. That's what now what they just
primaries,
introduce now be that.
if you cook direct primaries for you, the one wey they cook for Governor Obaseki for APC, the thing for hookah for neck. You see, when you were talking about direct primaries, the modalities for direct primaries must be free and fair. It must allow for people, mass people, not be the one wey be say padi direct primaries, wey be say one chairman go cause 1,250,000 people. Meanwhile, which time they take count? You know, they see that counting when they do one time, we come out for social media.
Yes.
1, 50, 90, 100 as they count up. You see, until we become honest in politics, until we begin to say, this is how we want our politics to be, we will not get the result. We can say, look, what is the system, the model, at least for a party where they use for that direct primary? They don't get registered, they don't get server. I did, this last weekend, I did with senior technical people for APC. They say when they talk server, they say no, they don't want to hear that server. We know what thing we do for e-registration, where we say this is our governor now, like the chairman of e-registration for PDP. So you cannot have two party cards. You cannot have, they don't streamline the system. Put them, say one registration, one person, you register e-registration, they give you. We don't beg, see, at least now, they don't they go inside that our electoral act, they place the president inside that. So that's one way they talk, say they introduce. We know where they come. We know the hammer where they use with.
You don't talk of registration. I want to talk about that registration.
Yes, let's talk first.
Like Jared talk, he said that they introduce direct primaries.
Yes.
May I tell you, direct primaries when they do for Lagos, APC internal primaries, the result when they declare for Ambode, he almost reach the result when INEC say register for everybody for Lagos. We know say the direct primary, now they also use for Buhari 2019. We know say the direct primary now to prepare ground for rigging, because APC direct primaries, the result when they bring out almost reach almost 70% of the total voters in Nigeria when Buhari take win. And when we see the figure, we laugh.
Why you not laugh?
Because we know say that they cook that one so that when they go release the result for election, people not go doubt that they go say after all. So this not the number when you vote for them for their primaries. But the truth be say, can you do direct? You will do direct primaries when you not get registered. Direct primaries, if we are to be honest, is based on an accepted party register. How many parties in this country actually have updated registers? And that is why PDP has now introduced e-registration. At least now, if person register twice, it go show. And now, if National Assembly fit pass that direct primaries and president sign, it will also remove all the fight when they did for party congresses, because the fight to put chairman, to put executive at the ward level, to put executive at the local government level, and to put at the state level, now to put people when go fit influence their candidates when primaries come, because we know say a number of party executives they attend primaries, and by the time they are able to corner those people, they don't get majority already. But with direct primaries, my chairman no go fit tell me for my ward say vote for this man. I go ask him how much they give him, how much they give you to tell you make you convince me. Everybody go, all of us go there. Those who in one contest, they will put their picture for front, we go line up. And it go also remove this idea of people when they collect money. If Jarrett they contest and I collect 50,000 from him, and I go there that day, somebody holding picture, I go stay for another line. I don't say if they tell Jarrett, I go run come off from house. So a lot of people, the only thing when go even for them be say, if they make the direct primaries, if they make an open secret. But for me, the best way of choosing at the party level now be option A4. If they are 10 candidates, their agents go stand for front, hold their picture. Let everybody line up behind them. By the time you do that, those when they collect money, they're not go just come out, because they know say the person when you give them money, go they look out for where they go stand. So for me, internal democracy, the only way when go fit work now be through direct primaries. That one go reduce the struggle to put people for offices.
But he say direct primaries are someone introduce them.
Yes, you see, you know, I talk just now. They talk of a register. Everybody knows say there is no political party when no get registered. It was at the time when he introduced that direct primaries. All the parties they get registered.
They talk of authentic register.
No, it's just that many people no like him. Many people like Obaseki run come off from APC and PDP quickly accept her. You see, when they talk just now, we say recently we updated our registers. We did registration and the rest of it all, and we know how they do registration. Like he's talking about Governor Obaseki as chairman of e-registration and whatever now. And they are running into a serious problem because the PDP constitution states clearly how to register. You go to your ward, you meet your ward chairman, you register and collect card. So they never even do anything to even pass any law to change that for their constitution on how to do registration. They come up with e-registration. And many of the states, they are in court. Even in those states now, people don't go court. To stop e-registration because it cannot work, because it is not in the constitution. And even in the electoral act, it's clear how to register.
No. You know one person they talk something where they say you know you get full knowledge. Now we cook that e-registration. We look to be lawyer. Now we drafted updated 2017 constitution. I was a member of that constitution drafting committee, and a key insistence when we put for that thing that the option say you have an electronic register, but the completion of that registration is where the ward chairman approves. The approval of the e-registration at any level goes through the ward chairman. So make I just give you small education. Say we for PDP, you be PDP person before now. You know how the party, you know say the party they think this thing well before they they cook the thing well. We don't look this thing, look the party. There's no court case today. It may be internal PDP issue they get, but on e-registration there is no court case. I can tell you today there is nobody that, because the e-registration process and na wetin we wan even advise those of una wey dey APC make una try come, we go teach una how you dey do am, because we don do the thing well. We get almost 6 servers across the world where they host our domain, everything concerning the e-registration. You register. As you register finish, all the approvals will be approved at the world level by the world chairman, so that you no go fit send some APC people make they come register. The world chairman go look and say, no, this one na APC, you no go approve am. And if you get contest say they no approve am, you go send back to the national go authenticate you, say you be member, and once they give you that card, e dey the system. The card go dey record whether you pay your dues, you no pay your dues, all those things. That's why we dey tell APC don carry us go 20 years behind. Something wey when MK Abiola come, no be of your name for, you don already dash am to Osomole now. Na this kind of thing wey APC dey
okay, na wetin be the option A for now? Na be the
direct primary. Because SDP and NRC.
Yes.
I still be small pikin.
Let me introduce am.
He come say na Osomole introduce.
Yes, let me introduce am to this system.
You dey SDP that time.
Abiola don comot since, but now introduce am. Okay, wetin I dey talk now? You know say they talk about e-registration, server and whatever. Now the Obaseki style wey they do MOU for this state, now it don't carry come again now. Server in the world, that one do that one, that one do that one, that one do that one. Very sweet to say, but I can tell you, and speaking with good authority,
yes,
that litigations all over the places. Ask him in the PDP constitution, how do you register? Is there anything like e-registration? It's not.
It is in the constitution, and we put that for constitution 2017 constitution review. We put electronic registration there as an option for you to register, but will be concluded.
Did they take it to the convention?
2017 as amended. Go and check the constitution.
No, it's not there now. That's why people are in court.
They do something for
you know, say
like APC.
I don't know this issue for. I don't know so this issue go come for this discussion. I will bring all this information because in good authority, a lot of states are in court about the e-registration.
You know that this kind of thing APC they go media. When they go media now, they go just stop putting on the
Rivers is in court
for e-registration.
E-registration because of Amechi, because of sorry, I'm not saying Amechi because of Wike and Secondus. They are in court.
Wike and Secondus no concerning registration.
I'm telling you, they are in court. You might not know.
You say the fact
might not know.
You say the fact is, to the best of my knowledge,
yes,
because me once I wake up for morning, from 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock, I dey switch from one station to the other. In the night, from 7 o'clock till, if not you when you bring me come here now, I for day house now, I dey watch television, I dey read newspaper. I never actually see any place where any state don't go court because of e-registration, because the e-registration just there at the preliminary stage. Whatever there is to even perfect, if it has not been, you see, PDP not be like APC, where never fit do convention for over many years. They not get board of trustees. They not even get national executive.
For 36 na 56 chairman then get.
There are 3 cases in court now challenging the caretaker committee of Bunu. Everything where not there now, this convention go put all of them right. But I not believe say anybody don't go because there is no e-registration does not know whether you are in this person's camp. I register for inside my house. Now for inside my room, now I do my e-registration. The server don't know whether I belong to Obaseki group or I belong to Danobi group or I belong to a Wike group. So nobody go get any reason to go court because registration for now, even Obaseki not know those.
You don't even know people.
He not know those when register or not register. As you register now, it goes there and they send you your notification whether it has been accepted or not, and if there are issues they point it out, you correct it.
All those things go still talk to MOU.
But wait,
you go see am now at the end of the day you hear say the thing
but according to which is it a national thing?
This matter is the chairman now.
Yeah, national.
Now they tell you now say Obaseki is known for one thing.
Secretary of that is the deputy chairman. There are other governors.
Obaseki is known for one thing. When it come like this, you go to hear Sava or the word. This one do that. That one do that. That one do that. Meanwhile,
you don't start talking this language we no do.
For here now, not be waiting. Don't take gele. This one, Sava. This one, that one. You turn to MOU. Up till now, to siphon
up to 1 year
from the coffers. Maybe there is so much money kept somewhere now in a PDP coffer between he and Secondus, because he they support Secondus. He and Secondus when he wants siphon with that e-registration. Watch Obaseki where that's where it's going.
But it is now they put the thing for constitution.
This has been in process since 2017.
Is it that they put that for constitution? And Obaseki just
lawyer now. Which time when they do convention, when they pass that thing to the
the constitution of PDP is 2017 as amended. You have not even read it. You have not even read it. It allows for electronic registration. You know they. Person go dey argue PDP person when they person when APC when they even get anything constitution when they go even they look first. If they come out
as deputy state chairman of the party in the state, I'm concerned to know what you have.
Not where you can say not be factional deputy.
What you have? It can't be factional. It's a those states that you have factions now all over. There is no local government that you don't have to chairman in this state now. PDP, the chairman A, chairman B, chairman this, chairman that. Suspension here, suspension there, suspension here, suspension there. That's what is happening here now.
Yes, no problem.
Time bomb.
No problem.
Suspension. They have gone to court. They say they're not going to go to this thing. Obedeyama, secretary of the party. Suspension na part of politics. APC is having its own problem. Oh, we are so united.
With 53 people. Even the Congress won't do so.
Yeah.
I know the infighting when see they go on.
I say they get 36 states now, 56 chairman.
Edo State just manage their own. But I will tell you, say it will soon blow out because I know the difference. Is there Yamu fashion? They never.
No, there is no fashion.
They never see agree.
There is no fashion. Okay, Oga. We fashion. You go say a day now.
I don't know about you, but I know say the thing go. You see, when the APC they talk, I go just they look now. You see, the fact is, the other say, waiting small pikin. On top of rock, no go see the old man when they bottom of a hill, he go see him. You forget say 95% of now when they APC. Now from PDP now grow. Now we teach you now. So when now they come, you see, I tell people I say politics for Nigeria, na very thin line. Now they separate the parties. That's why it possible say today you hear say Osazeje so about the PDP. Tomorrow you hear say na APC na e now. Next tomorrow you hear say Jared don't leave APC because our politics not be ideology. Na politics of sabi.
Okay, why our politics don't get ideology and they won't move forward?
Because we never started to look at the real issues for politics. Many people
they not go move from one party to another.
No.
PDP.
Don't forget say not that way they talk to. Not to say what be name o Fanika they don't talk am.
I not be Fanika.
Is it so I think they list the name of people say don't talk that thing.
Some of us where we did where they born us. PDP as we did like this. If we come out from politics, we'll go face another business. Because now the way we want to make Nigerian politics, when they try to tell us, say, that's so the politics supposed to be. We supposed to, if the party no good, we go stay there, fight inside that party. make it good.
You see, make I tell you, this leader when sit down here, so everybody know him, both APC and PDP. Everybody know him to be an upright person. See, when you talk of say white person leave one party go the other party, me I believe in ideology.
But what happen for our
No, me I believe in ideology.
I will take up
The reason why I was the last person they thought would leave PDP, because if you are looking for people who started PDP from this state, I'm one of the people. Not even in the state. I started from Lagos. Myself, Pascal Gome, and Malik Afegba were the only 3 people that followed the formation of PDP from Lagos to the formation of PDP before it got here. It's just that in Edo State here, they know how to try to keep somebody. That's the aspect I don't like about PDP. They will always want to keep you in abeyance once you are not in this thing. The point is, my ideology does not tally with that of Governor Obaseki and coming into PDP.
Now Obaseki,
yes, definitely comot, because I know say as they come so, I know say there is going to be a change. I know that this fight when they get now, when they want to tear the place apart now.
Which fight? Fight no the
fight for PDP seriously. Now they suspend each other. Obaseki say na
he say it's normal with the political party.
He say it's normal, but I'm not ready for that kind of thing. The reason is because when the thing they come, now me first shout. I say some people don't price with Obaseki 7 billion to give her the ticket. Obaseki never even ready to come, but I know when they get the meeting. And I know the people when hold the meeting
but
with
that
her.
kind of 7 billion, you know, fit substantiation.
You see, I get information.
The information you get.
No, not information. I get the.
You video them, you film them when they do meetings.
I get the records
of how they say claim the money.
I get the records.
How they say collect the money.
I get the records.
You see, Ima.
So now, I know whether they
but
go.
But if you want to talk about if you want to talk about suspension, your party too for time we not to take. You know the way suspension here, suspension there. That's like
they're
not
suspended.
No,
in other states, suspension not there.
They suspend
Oshomole. No, we talk the truth now.
They suspend Oshomole.
Yes,
because APC in a party where they respect eternal democracy. That's an example again.
Okay, they do eternal democracy.
Now APC get eternal democracy. PDP don't get that.
But you know say that period.
They say they don't get national. They say they don't get executive.
Wait.
We have executive.
He said they don't get national chairman. They don't get.
He no fit talk anything about APC because me I fit talk something about PDP because I don't date PDP before, so I can say something about PDP. Okay. He no fit talk anything about APC because he has never been in APC before. So now people go believe.
You see, Jarrett.
Do you know the person that is representing Edo State in the BOT of APC is Prince Malik Afegba. He's the BOT member.
How many meetings they don't feel hold?
They want meetings.
How many meetings they don't feel hold?
No, they know so.
But you see Jarrett, Jarrett, may we look at this thing well. You know, say some of me I never did APC, but I don't do ACN. And so I know the workings because when they frustrate us in 2007, in 2006, some of us go from Grace Group, went from ACD, AC, ACN.
Or go frustrate them, PDP, right? PDP.
Yeah, it was you people now. You people, you were in PDP then, and you were in the group that was frustrating people. So waiting there be saying, actually, factionalization for party is part of the process. My grandma, before she died, she taught me one thing. When we just go there, we just embrace her. The old woman was just shaking her head. She will say, I agree, which means when you are deceiving yourselves, you don't quarrel. So those that say they don't have factions, it is because they said, if two people enter a meeting and they come out smiling, you know that one has played the first one on the other, but it will eventually come out. And as for this ones you are saying, this one collected this, those are all rumors. Tenebe, if I wake up tomorrow and I write an article on you, and I say you collected 20 million from somebody, you will be denying. But I have said it. It is not left for me to prove whether it is true or not. Like
were they not called tax collectors? Who said tax collector?
Like
we can say tax collector. What be the meaning of tax collector? Let me say they don't collect tax. They don't collect money from Obaseki. That was the second million. Is that not enough? Is that not enough? What I'm saying.
Wike, everybody knows that Wike is loquacious. He talks.
He talks
so there, you see, Wike
is a serious person.
There are certain areas I take him seriously in terms of projects.
Good.
There are certain times Wike says the truth, but the fact is, he don't know where to draw the line between saying something jokingly
no finesse
and actually being serious.
So who call tax collectors?
Well, then we give me.
He
never referred to.
He never
referred to people living in Edo.
He never referred. He said
he was talking about.
You just the talker. So
I saw the tax being collected first.
Wait, for these names, so you can call so. We cannot mention those names.
No, because I did for the state. I know the people when they did the meeting.
No, but
I can tell you the time of the meeting.
That wasn't even
you see that.
Mrs. Tenebe, that was not what he was saying. Listen now.
The only person who deferred in that meeting was Lucky Igbenedion.
Wait.
Igbenedion was in the meeting.
Wait.
He was the only person who deferred in the meeting.
Wait now.
That's 7 billion.
Wait. Wike was not even referring to Edo State
at all.
As at that time, Wike's fight with Secondus was just starting. And Wike's fight with Secondus was that before now they sponsored the party. So now when other governors don't they sponsor, Secondus now feel say every governor ought to be treated equally, and Wike not like him. That tax collectors, Wike they refer to the national executive.
That was what, in fact,
not even the states.
Let me tell you this specific what Wike was talking about.
It was not that PDP has no internal democracy.
He was talking about
his tax they collect.
PDP has no internal democracy.
Don't twist this matter.
But we have.
This particular tax collector comment was made in respect of Ondo State.
No.
That interview.
You know,
it wasn't even Edo. He was referring to Ondo and the decision they took for the candidate of Ondo. That was most of the governors were not amenable to that decision. So he now said the national, and he was specific to the National Working Committee. He called them, he said some of this National Working Committee, he didn't mention anybody in Edo as tax collector. He said the National Working, some of them, they've gone to tax collector.
Tax collector, yes.
It was on Obaseki's matter now.
No, it was
even Anambra now. It was also obvious that tax collectors came up again in the PDP primaries in Anambra State.
Tax collectors.
If you say he also talk for Anambra, which means that as at that time when he told it, not for Edo talker.
No, what did they tell you? They say they just do primaries now. PDP, you see, they don't have internal democracy. They collect tax from the person who is looking for office. What they collect, they give you the ticket. Now they tell you, say, it happened for Anambra recently now. If you discover, just last week here, next Supreme Court call even affirm their candidate. Because of tax collection.
Yeah, but APC never finished their case.
I've never seen this case.
Yeah.
APC when they sign just be when they skyscraper.
Why do they never finish their case?
They still get matter for.
No.
APC.
Between the
How do matter never finish?
No, we don't have anything. We don't have anything. I just came from Anambra yesterday from campaign. We don't get any problem. I mean, in the campaign team. We don't have any issue as regard to court. It was PDP that collected tax that they just finished their matter in Supreme Court. This tax collection. There is no internal democracy.
36 states of Nigeria, they get 56
chairmen.
56.
How does it
you know, say
Obaseki even said it. Yeah, but the crisis in Edo now, they put it clearly that he paid tax. So he's the leader of the party.
No.
He said wait. After me, the governor of Edo State, after paying tax, you will not support the leader of the party. That is the point of that kind of comment. No, because you pay tax to people. If you don't pay me tax, not you, you pay tax to people. Those of us who work for him, I will mention the names of people who collected tax. Because I'm not anybody. The point is this: he paid tax to people who does not matter. You know he was saying it. He said, like let's say people talk now say. Now when you factor, they were factoring. Now when you for talk say they were wait. They were factoring. Now when government talk say no tax finish. Now recently when you for talk that thing. Now for meeting for red though. He went as far as saying.
Which meeting for red though?
He went as far as saying that.
That meeting I was there.
He went as far as saying that. After paying tax, if they don't want to submit to me, they will leave the party.
No, Jared, this meeting you are talking of, I was there.
Okay.
I was the one that responded on behalf of Edo South.
Yes.
The governor said by the PDP constitution, he is the leader. The governor say by the PDP constitution, now he be the leader of the party, and that in no one crisis, in one carry everybody along. But those who no one come out, those who no one agree say they will work for the peace of the party.
After collecting tax.
He didn't talk of collecting tax.
No, we will not hear that one.
I said that I was there.
This was
I was there.
We don't fit take that because na social media talk.
If to say I know, I for bring my waiting then they call them iPad or
My leader will be in your house tomorrow.
I for bring him and I for give you make you play am back. Obaseki not talk say him pay anybody. Obaseki say him be the leader of the party. He wan carry everybody along, but those who no one follow am, those who no want the progress of the party, make them go join another party.
Okay.
Na so he talk.
Obaseki go come get ticket. He give me go look am. He just dey come. You go.
Ejare, let me ask you one question.
No.
Wait, Jared.
I haven't told that one here.
Because na my leader you dey talk and he has been speaking about Obaseki coming into PDP as an option from day one without even being prompted.
No, I will tell them.
No, Jared.
He said if Obaseki, he made a comment that if Obaseki had contested APC primaries, they would have defeated him. How come the same man went to general election and overwhelmingly 16 or so local governments voted this man? That tells you that he didn't need to pay money to anyone. Obaseki did not need to pay me money to work for him.
No, I am not saying that Obaseki paid you.
No,
Jared,
he didn't need to pay anybody.
No, let him make
He didn't need to pay anybody.
No, he did.
My late father, he died on my way back from Obaseki's flag off. My late father gathered his friends and said they will come en masse to Edo State to vote for Obaseki. How much money can Obaseki pay all the people that came out to vote for him? Let us remove this sentiment of money, because at the National Working Committee level, Obaseki was weighed amongst the other contenders, and he came out on top because at that time he was a viable candidate. He was a viable candidate, not that he had to pay. This story when they talk say he pay. Even when they settle people wey don already buy form, people like Gideon Ikine refused to take the refund of his money he has spent.
No, wait, now make him finish.
I am telling you
I will surprise you now.
I will tell you if I'm speaking with fact, because I know most of the people that contended. I don't know about the others, but I am speaking of the facts. You know, I won't come here.
The one you know.
The facts that I know. He didn't take Obaseki paying anybody. We all concluded, even those of us that were in PDP, the day he left APC, I was the first person to go and sit down with him in Abuja, and I said, come to PDP. We invited him into PDP, So when you are inviting somebody, how will you now go and ask that person to pay you? I have not seen, like most people, if I see him in committee, we just talk. What I want to ask him for money for?
Okay. Make a surprise them with something that is going on now.
Okay.
Obaseki.
Governor Obaseki.
Governor Obaseki.
Yes.
And Philip Shaibu, deputy governor, they get small issue now regarding to money when they spend that period.
But you know if we prove it.
Act of propaganda.
You know if we prove it. That was propaganda. When you say they get issue, see now is it that one now win.
You know
we they call it win.
Okay.
And for years we don't use win to work.
Make I talk the win, we make you hear. That never is surprising. I say I won't surprise you. Governor, they get after they do that big settlement of 7 billion. When they don't do and finish for when they pay the tax. So he can't they won't go around the LGAs. So he called the comment or not. He called Philip Shaibu. So Philip Shaibu called them and say they get about 150 million what they're supposed to still spend. He called Philip Shaibu make he spend that money for a donut on his behalf as he's coming. As I am talking to you now, all the money where they spend for election, the reason why no set up commissioner, you don't do commissioner, do anything, now to recoup that money back. So you don't recoup that money. Philip, they ask for that P150 now. That be the problem where they between them now.
Wait. Tenebi.
Sir.
You were in PDP.
Yes, sir.
Before you left.
Yes, sir.
You were a leader in Edo North.
Yes, sir.
How much were aspirants paying you to get nomination? Because that is what, according to you, that is what PDP does. And you were in PDP.
No, these people carry that thing.
Now let you know, Colette.
These people carry this thing. Come, now they talk. I started by saying that if they talk of credibility, you as a person, you stand out. You know why? Because you're a PDP man. I know this. I know a barrister. In an upright person, and your dad. I know. You understand? So these people carry their dirty mind and dirty bodies. Come enter PDP. When you see when people like this still remain.
You know,
so then we call say
number one, now our governor they talk to. Number two, now our deputy governor they talk to.
Yes,
and then they call these people excellency. So
excellency.
That number one. Then secondly, the fact that when you say they give them money, 12 they fight for money. Yes, you know, say like I talk for say for media, for year. Yes, now waiting you get proof. Say okay, they sign 150 naira. We know they use win and matter we hear for other underground or be a part of they talk say because so many talk they go for politics.
So a lot of them are true.
No, most of them be true.
Because you see, as we enter this studio, since we enter, you don't they talk this 7 billion. You know what I think I
started from before I
you know what I feel like saying?
Our leader will tell you now.
I need to sit down with this my leader. And you know, this now my big uncle. I need to sit down with her. Help change this mind. Because it be like say people don't carry rumor. No. Me they here.
No, you did there. How you say they lose it?
The leader there here, you know collect. Who don't collect?
No. Say before I left PDP, I raised this issue. Say make una come. These people don't hold meeting for Abuja. Obaseki is coming to PDP. They don't strike deal of 7 billion. It was all in the papers now. We were integrity papers. We even went as far as to suspend Tommy Kimi, Obiadome, Issa Brahma, Oyofo, Remodo Besi. We suspended them from the party.
No, but
because of the 7 billion.
But you know, say when you talk like this, it's good to talk. But the other thing is saying, now we don't get any proof.
Oh, it was in the papers. Did they deny?
No.
It was in Vanguard.
See, when you say something,
you will remember now.
Wait, now.
No paper can carry that kind of thing.
Did you suspend them or not?
Which suspension? I was in national. I was part of the people that issued the statement that I was a worthless suspension.
Did we?
No, we get that part to suspend them.
We suspend them.
Wow.
We suspend them.
We get the power.
has not had the power.
Wait now. You have that power. You said
so they suspend us.
For PDP, abi? Yes. For PDP, abi? Yes. You know what I'm saying? They call meetings or so that. Because number one, now I tell you, I think this my brother be there for that time. If they want suspend person for political party, if they not get step where they go,
we take all the steps.
You know how we take the steps.
Stakeholders met. At that time we write letter to who? We write letter to who? To the chairman. Nanobias at that time. That this is what is happening.
Okay, now don't use that.
They don't collect money. So the party has to look into the thing. If not, we will assume that there is no party. Then we will do the needful. We waited for 7 days. Nanobi did not react. He did not act. He did not act on the petition we wrote. The stakeholders met across the whole state and they suspended them.
But you too. You
suspended.
Wait. You are a deputy chairman of APC now.
Yes.
So by APC constitutions, stakeholder will just sit down and suspend person.
Well, you see, let me tell you, say, APC. You can never see anybody. We don't collect tax in APC.
No, you don't. No, I agree. Anybody can just come and suspend somebody.
Iman, you see, yes. Iman, you see, I am a journalist.
Yes, sir.
And I believe in saying what I can prove. That is what I learned. All this fabu story. APC right now does not have any job it is doing. APC is fighting for survival. And like one prominent chief said in 1998, he said, if your opponent is having an upper hand, look for one lie and put on his head. He said, while you are campaigning, the opponent will be defending.
That is politically.
Yes, politically. The opponent will be defending the lies you have put on him. But unfortunately for them, Obaseki is not campaigning. So there's no lie they will say. Because I can just sit down now and I say, during these congresses, Imuse, he paid 50 million to be made chairman. You paid 20 million. I will go to social media. And because many of them believe things that I say, that I don't just make accusations, many of them will take it seriously. And before you know what is happening, it has spread all over the place. But when we were in NTA then, our manager then, Tony Radia, encouraged many of us to read law, not to practice, but to be guided in what we write and what we say. And I happen to have benefited from it. So I will not just go to the streets with gutter language at this gate when I cannot prove. When I cannot prove.
All those issues of
all those issues of 7 billion, all those things.
The fight in PDP in a state now are the people who collected against who did not collect.
He just talked.
The fight is not.
Listen. Suspension and quarrel is part of the game.
Let me even correct him. Let me correct him.
Okay.
The fight in PDP as of today is the outcome of the congresses that were held in March.
Okay, there is fight. Okay.
I am part of the fight.
Okay.
I am part of the fight because right from those congresses, some of us had always said there was no fair play.
No internal democracy. Okay.
There was no. I'm not talking of internal democracy. That there was no fair play. And it was during that fight. Look, I admit the fact. If those who got selected into offices, if they had managed it well, if they had called those who felt aggrieved and said, look, to a round table and said, let's sort out this issue, Obaseki would not have met a divided house. Obaseki met a divided house. The fight that is there today has nothing to do with money. When we moved this... When we decide for Oredo leaders meeting, chaired by the deputy chairman of Oredo, when we decide there, I was there. I made a comment.
I watched you for TV.
It did not have anything to do with money. The grievance was the way the executive that was selected had been carrying on. And the meeting that he's talking about where the governor spoke, I did there too. There was nothing like money. I spoke on behalf of, now me speak on behalf of Edo South in that meeting. So all parties go get crisis.
Hello, good evening. Yes, I beg quick, just one, go straight. What is your name? Where they call us from? I want to contribute to the program. Go ahead. Hello? Yes. Yes. Governors? No, you don't get now since 2 weeks ago. Okay, Anthony, time not again. What's the future of multi-rapper, way of wrapping up? What would be the future of young people for politics in Nigeria?
Well,
because you will be one of the face of the young people for politics. What is the future?
Well, I think that
I better speak pidgin.
I believe say our leaders like our deputy chairman here, now them supposed show us the proper way to do things. Not be say they will tell us say 7 billion. They you know this. It be like that time when Jonathan they will say 50 billion. Say there's only carry 60 billion. Now so I didn't know they do like this before. And the enter APC begin they talk this guy big money matter. You go just call big money, make everybody they fear. You know, politics is supposed to be, we're supposed to encourage best practice. Say that's what we're supposed to do. When person want office, make that person come out, make it tell us what he get, what he don't do before, what he won't do for the future. All these 7 billion, 10 billion, you know, we know the one who don't get democracy. We know the one where they don't settle, where they know their house, they don't cook food well for their house. 56 chairman for 36 states. We see they count. We don't even know whether they get working committee. They don't get. Instead they get BOT. I never hear one day when they announce anybody as BOT. They don't who be the chairman of their BOT. You know, we need to begin to accept. Say, you get where we know they right. You get the one as we they talk now. You see, as PDP people they talk. We they talk where we get the problem. We agree say we get this problem. We go take time work on that. The one where we don't get problem for, we don't go take and put for our neck now. Say we don't get this problem. So the future of young people for political parties is looking very bright because some of us know the inside house again. We don't come out. We don't say we want it better because now we get this future. As some people did now quarter to exit now. That time don't they go. We said myself don't they enter that stage where we don't they quarter to exit. So now we want to live for our children. And go better for them. They no go come. They talk 7 billion, 10 billion. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Where you call us from? Go straight to the point.
This is John speaking.
From where?
I'm in Lagos. I'm watching your program.
Go ahead. Go straight to the point.
And what happened is, why now? My state time is only been there now. Okay, I won't go to farm again. That's why everywhere. Obateki is not looking to the problem.
Okay, but today we don't discuss the issue of security, my brother. Go ahead.
So, in conclusion, so that the future is very bright. A lot of things where they don't put for ground, say it will make sure say the country better. Now young people will drive. Make some of these our old people give us small chance. Make we show waiting.
But what's the girl just say if now we make the give small chance, we go fit say make na take our by.
No, I don't fight what we did now. That's why if we come this kind of place now, they tell us everything. We tell them truth. We say, Mama, we respect you. Our leader, we respect you. But see the truth. Say as the truth be. Now so this matter. And that's what we go do and everywhere where we go. So that they will know say, well, even it go better for them because it gets where they go reach, they will depend on us. And if we not prepared to support them well, you go see old man, they go to push them for road. And we don't want that kind of thing. We want to take care of our old men. And that them go set good example for us. Say, see how it will be, see how we go to do things. And these direct farmers make all of them support them. Or say if we get internal democracy for party, make them allow people come out, talk what they want to do. No, we never, since we start this thing, at 7 billion we talk, we never talk the real issue. Say, how will they give people who fit do something the opportunity to do it the right way? That is the conversation that where I feel say we supposed to get.
Time not again, I believe say another time we will continue this matter. The second phase now be say how can we effect internal democracy for inside party? Jared, just one word.
Well, the only way to effect internal democracy now to do the things properly the way APC they take do and so. Just the way we take the do and when I take emerge as deputy state chairman of the party in this state. APC is a party that does things the right way, and that's what we are doing. And PDP should copy from us.
Okay, Sir.
And you say the fact is there's only one party, PDP. APC is a contraction. Yes. It's a contraction. It's not a party. And because they are jobless, their main duty is to be spreading lies. Obaseki is performing. Obaseki is well liked. Okay. Obaseki will complete his 4 years, and Edo State will be better for it. Edo State is for PDP, and we have gone more than the stage of believing fantasies, fabulous stories. That is not what we want in Edo State.
Okay, who be that? Go straight to that, not again. Huh?
Hello, good evening.
Where did they come us from? Time when they go straight to the point.
They come from Benin. Okay, that
go straight to the point. What time not looking for the program? That's what we do from program today. We salute everyone who say you join us this evening. Anthony Elebo Barrister, I salute you because yes, even one young person who say you get future and really you try to let the younger people so they feel come into politics. So please keep it up because you're in the face of the young people for inside politics. So I say just one yes, at this age, you see come here this night for this program. Jared Tinebe, congratulations again for your new office.
Thank you.
And I believe some of them will play politics well.
We'll move the party forward.
Okay, that's what we have the program today. We'll do it on Friday. God bless Nigeria. Good night.